Let's see how to transfer files from iPhone to Android using a cable. Now connect your cable to the iPhone and Android phone. Now change the USB connection type on your Android. Now select MTP host. Then select Trust from your iPhone. This is iPhone internal storage on your Android mobile. Now select any image or video, then copy it to Android. Now go to Android internal storage. Now create a new folder. Then copy it here. This is how you can copy any folder file from iPhone to Android.